Here we are, Big Al's VW rat rod, just out here making up a plate to fit. Just a little short video today, just to get, well, basically I want to get that bit boxed in. So I've got all that done, which I'm really pleased with. So I've been out here today making up a plate. It's a bit rough around the edges, but oh, there we go. As always, you drop it. Pretty much there. Get in. Needs a bit more fettling, obviously. That will go in there like that, and then that piece there will push up in when it's got the heat in of the weld. Weld it all the way around. Push that in there, and that will seal it all off. So, which will be lovely. So it'll be all nice up to the edge there. Obviously trim that off after, but a lot of that's going to go up inside. So it'll be out of the way. But yeah, that's made up just roughly with a hammer. Just try and shape it a little bit, and then when I've got the heat in it, I'll bend it more. Bend it round, because it's a rat rod, who cares? Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a nice fit, I'm pleased with it. I'll close up in there as well. That'll be a lot better when it closes up. As usual, faithful bit of oil drum. Love my oil drum. Cheap metal. And it's exactly the same thickness as a Beetle body, so it's fine, it's perfect. You get there's 3 different thicknesses, tops. I was going to go through the thicknesses then, but I can't remember what they are. But the top's thicker than the sides, and the top's thinner than the base. The base is the thickest piece, sides next, and then the top. No, the top's thicker than the sides, but not as thick as the base. That's right. Well, something like that anyway. His nutters off his head again, losing the plot, losing the will to live. but that's another story. Yeah, but that's what I've done today. Been out there, got that in. It's not shaped perfectly yet, but it will fit better. And then I'll clean it up and then get it welded in, which will probably be sometime next week now, because Andy's away for a couple of days and I've got bits and pieces to do the next few days, so it'll be sorted. I've trimmed that side down a little bit more as well, so it looks more like this side. I'll get that one all boxed in as well, up through there, do exactly the same as what I've done this side. So that'll be all hidden away as well. Perfect. What more can you ask for? Absolutely spot on. Love it. So with that, I'll see you on the next one. Say you're at our VW Cocoa headquarters as usual. I'll put a link to his channel. Not that there's going to be, he's got a lot more followers and subscribers than me, but I guess if we get one extra for him, it's all good. So yeah, I'll put a link, try and work out how to put a link to his in my description, and I'll see you on the next one. But don't forget, we're getting there. Cheers, bye.